If you are a heavy user of snippets in VS Code, one nice feature is that you can configure key bindings for specific snippets. Here, for example, I've configured Command K1 to insert an if-else statement. To understand how that's set up, let's go and open the keyboard shortcuts here first. And then I'm going to go to the advanced keyboard shortcuts JSON file just by clicking on this icon up here. And now here are all my keyboard shortcuts expressed in JSON. This is the key binding that actually defines the snippet command that I was just showing here. So first off, it says, here's the key press that I'm going to use, and then the command I'm using is editor action insert snippet. So that is what we're doing. And the way that you specify what snippet is being inserted is this args object. So language ID specifies that we're taking a JavaScript snippet, and then the unique name for that snippet is the if-else statement. And that is a built-in snippet in this case, but you can also use user snippet names or a snippet that comes from an extension. So when I go back here again, I just press Command K1 and I go and insert the snippet. So that's how you can set up a key binding for an existing snippet, but you can also set up key bindings for new snippets that aren't defined anywhere. I've done the same thing here for Command K2, except now it's defining a snippet directly inline. So it's the same basic setup, and then for the args object, instead of specifying a name, I actually just give it the snippet directly. So there's the snippet, and you can use all the snippet syntax that you're used to in your snippets JSON file. So if I press Command K2 here, it's gone and created that snippet or inserted that snippet there, and I can use it and interact with it just like a normal snippet in VS Code. So that is how you can set up key bindings for snippets.